All right, so today we're gonna talk about file management. It's gonna be a quick video, pretty short, but it's super necessary because look at the screen right here. I see stuff like this all the time, way too often, in fact. Um, Files everywhere, just lost, and students having no idea where their work is. I spend a lot of my time helping students find their work. Like, oh, some of my work, I lost it, I deleted it, I can't find my work anymore. I can't turn it in. And I sit on the computer, I look around their files, open one by one all their files, and I find their work, and I say, "Oh, there it is. This is their problem. You need to clean out your system and make it look organized so you can find things easily." So here's a funny picture. Claim me. You need to clean up your desktop, all your icons, make it more organized and more user friendly. So today I'm gonna have you create folders. You need folders for all of your files, for all of your classes, for all your projects you're going to make, all your pictures you're going to download. You need folders. They need to look organized and be able to access whatever you need at any time. So my recommendation is that you have one central folder for my class. I would call it digital media class. And then inside of that folder, I want you to go ahead and create other folders as well. So for example, you can put one that says Photoshop projects. You can put one that says pictures, images, um, videos, whatever you are going to use in this class. You need to separate into folders to make it look organized. There's none of this right here. No reason for this to happen. It would take people forever to find their pictures, find their files when it looks like this. It's just way unorganized, way too messy, and then you just clean your computer up. All right. So here's what we're gonna do. I want you to go somewhere where you're going to always have access, or where you want your stuff to be at. You can put it on the desktop. So this right here is your desktop. If you click on, I believe it's this PC on Windows computers, you can put stuff on desktop, your downloads, pictures, like wherever you would like your files to be. Create a folder there. I'm gonna put mine on my desktop. Um, so this is like what my desktop looks like right now. You can already tell that there are some problems, and students do this all the time. They just save things, and then they're like, "Oh, okay, I'll go get it later on. I'm good to go." But then they had no idea what it's called, no idea where they saved it, and there's just too many problems. Whenever you save a picture, so look at this right here. Look at this picture right here. They never like says just what it is. It always gives you this random file name, and then if you were looking at a list, perhaps right here, this random file name, you'd have no idea what it is. I made it into an icon so you can see what it is, but in the list view, you have no idea what that is. So all these random look at this right here. These random names are whenever you save stuff off the internet, that's what it gives you, and that's just so impossible to tell what it is and like find stuff in a very fast, efficient way. So again, I'm going to have you label everything that you save. Right here, if you save a dog off of Google, label it dog. Not that hard and way easier to find in the future. Uh, if you're creating folders, don't leave it as untitled. I have three untitled. I have no idea what's inside of them. I have to go one by one inside each folder to see, hey, what's in this folder. None of that. You need to label everything. So let's do it. What you're gonna do whenever you create your folder, we're gonna do this. You can do right click, new folder. You need to label it. I'm going to call mine digital media projects. Okay. Inside of this folder, you probably should create even more folders. So you can go right here, right click, you can hit new again. I'm gonna call it Photoshop projects. You can do a new one, and I can call it pictures if you want. And you can switch between list view and icon view. Depends on what you like looking at. I'll do another one, and I'll call it videos. Okay. So now all year long, whenever you download stuff off of Google for projects, if you're going to download whatever it is, dog, cat, animals, restaurants, whatever it is, you need to right click on that thing and hit save as. Don't just hit save. Whenever you hit save, it saves it wherever the computer wants to, under any name it wants to, and then you have no idea where it's saved, no idea what it's called, you can't find it. That's a problem. So don't hit save, always hit save as, And then I want you to rename it, whatever it is. So if it's dog, if it's cat, whatever it is, rename it correctly, and then save it in the right spot. So if you're saving a Photoshop project, click on this folder, save it here. If you're saving a picture to use in a project, maybe keep it all in the pictures place so you know where it's at, label correctly. It'll help you a ton this year, I promise you. And it'll keep you from having this problem right here, and hopefully you won't have this mess to deal with. So file management, super easy but very important. It will save you a ton of time, and that's it.